Aprobado na ni PBBM ang plano ng Department of Budget and Management para sa paglulunsad ng e-marketplace na gagawing digitalize ang procurement system ng gobyerno. Layo ng ilulunsad na digital platform na gawing mas epektibo, madali at mabilis ang magiging sistema ng pagbili at pagbebenta ng mga produkto at kagamitang kakailanganin ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan. Si Mia Layagin para sa detalye ng balita.
Nakatakda ng ilunsad ng Department of Budget and Management o DBM sa katapusan ng Hulyo ang Electronic Marketplace o e-marketplace procurement system na gagawing mas madali ang transaksyon ng pagbili ng pamahalaan ng mga kailangan nitong kagamitan. Sa press briefing nitong ika-14 ng Mayo, ipinaliwanag ni na DBM Secretary Amena Pangandaman at PSDBM Executive Director Dennis Santiago ang magiging proseso ng ilulunsad na e-marketplace, maging ang mga karagdagang features sa electronic procurement system na mayroon sa bansa.
Earlier. An e-marketplace is a digital platform that facilitates buying and selling activities between multiple buyers and digital environment. It is one of the most successful initiatives of the government around the world to deliver services to the public. Thus, we are all excited for the official launch of our e-marketplace by end of July. As you all know, this is all part of our efforts to digitalize the government's procurement system and address concerns on the procurement process, which is the biggest bottleneck or hurdle in the budget utilization of our agency.
Dagdag ni Pangandaman, similar sa iba pang purchasing app, mas mailalapit ng e-marketplace ang iba't ibang mga negosyo at mga supplier sa mga consumer na mas pagagaanin ang digital purchasing experience ng pamahalaan.
The ongoing procurement reforms, including the proposed amendments to the 20-year-old Government Procurement Reform Act, are our way of making our procurement system efficient, transparent, reliable, sustainable, and future-proof.
Para naman kay Santiago, sa pamamagitan ng upgrade na ito sa e-procurement system, mas magiging madali at mas mapapabilis ang proseso ng pagbili ng pamahalaan ng mga kakailanganing kagamitan gaya ng sasakyan, equipment at iba pa.
Integration. So we're focusing on the e-marketplace that we will launch around the end of July, early August this year to allow for ease of the procurement or ease of procurement in government. And we hope to provide a platform, both for sellers and buyers, meaning sellers, market operators, and of course government as buyers, to look into products, multiple products in one platform where they can choose, where they can select, and of course order and actually pay, everything through the system. So this will basically shorten the procurement process. The common things done through competitive bidding will be shortened to, in one sitting, you can already make your purchase. And then of course, it provides for efficiency in government contracting.
Paliwanag ni Santiago, sa halip na 26 hanggang 136 days ang gugugulin para makabili ng isang kagamitan, mas paiiksiin ng e-marketplace ang proseso sa isang araw lang, hiwalay pa ang 2 to 3 days na delivery nito. Samantala, inanunsyo ng DBM na unang ilulunsad ang paggamit ng e-marketplace system sa pagbili ng mga sasakyang ginagamit ng iba't ibang ahensya at departamento ng pamahalaan. Anila lahat ng eligible suppliers, manufacturers at distributors na nakapagsumite ng requirements ay kabilang sa marketplace kung saan ang equipment o sasakyan ay ikiklik o pipiliin na lamang mismo ng ahensya depende sa kanilang specifications at pangangailangan. Para sa UrTV News, Mia Layagin, sumasaludo sa bawat Pilipino.